everyone, welcome to my Akka class channel. Today I am writing about verbs. Let's learn English grammar today. Let's learn. In present, I eat, and in past, I ate. In future, I will eat. I go, I went, I will go. I sing, I sang, I will sing. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get all my videos. I see, I saw, I will see. Next line, I think, I thought, I will think. I take, I took, I will take. I make, I made, I will make. I write, I wrote, I will write. Next line, I read, I read, I will read. I sleep, I slept, I will sleep. I speak, I spoke, I will speak. I run, I ran, I will run. I walk, I will walk. I sit, I sat, I will sit. I sell. If you know the answer, what will come in past, then please answer in comment box. And next in future, it will come, I will sell. Please share and subscribe my channel and encourage me.